fabulous White Tank Mountains in Phoenix, Arizona. Well, right outside of Phoenix, Arizona. And we are super excited. And this is our first, well, maybe not our very first, but one of our second glamping trip together. Semi-glamp together for my birthday weekend. And so I'm so excited. Just me and the husband are going. We're leaving the kids at home. And we're going to have a wonderful weekend. We'll be right back.
You got a pickup now. Now you can take that with no problem. Sitting up a little high.
I can see over.
Alright. You don't have to be sitting up so not no more. You gotta worry about your front end hitting scraping the little hump in the road.
W11.
Would you like a map?
Yes, please.
Okay, there you go.
Thank you so much.
Enjoy.
All right, you too.
All right, guys, we here.
We are here. Whoop, whoop.
Oh, I forgot to ask them what time is.
The gate closed. Dang. We're probably going to go back.
Okay.
Buggies and good times, guys. Ooh, look at that view, baby. Overlooking the city of Phoenix. They have little stations off to the side where you can day camp if you don't want to stay the night. And it's $7 to get in.
Maybe you want to slow it down.
I got my feet on the brakes.
Coming in hot.
Get momentum.
Beautiful white tanks, y'all.
Beautiful White Tank Mountains, guys. We love it here. This is the first place we camped. Restrooms to the side.
Well, we'll give you a better video when we get on the bikes.
Yeah.
I don't know if you're ready for this hill.
Ooh, I don't
This hill
know.
with the bike.
Watch for falling rocks. is that you can barbecue and have a day camp, or so many trails. There's a waterfall here. Many picnic areas. People that like to stand in the middle of the road. But that's okay. That's what we're all out here for, right? To hike the trails and see the sights, or just chill. This is for tents, vans, small trailers, and trailers only under 16 feet. This is going to be for the tent side. They also have another side for larger RVs. So we'll take you guys over there a little later to show you.
Our site is by. And my wife is backing into our site. She knew how to whip this thing. This is my wife's new truck. We're testing out a new tent that she has. Let's see where we'll get.
So this is the site. Where we are. They give you the little fire pit over here. It's clean. It's always clean when we come here. You do get a pad. And I gotta go help, or I'm gonna be in trouble.
wouldn't got all in the element. Wasn't on the trail. You see, there it is. Right
Yeah, I don't want to go. Oh, yeah. Come on, let's see. Hey, so I'm back. We're back. So we're back. And we are just probably like, I didn't even see her face. But we are just finished making some what we call fellowship bacon on the Blackstone. So we made bacon just to snack on, just a couple pieces. And we are sitting in our smaller tent getting ready to play cards. This is our small tent. It's just the two of us, so we left the big tent at home because we didn't bring the kids this time. But we are sitting in the tent getting ready to play dominoes or cards. I don't know what he's looking for, but we're going to play something. And we're going to have a good time. Just the two of us. Well, this is what 40 birthdays look like, I guess. At least for me, they do. So just wanted to pop in, let you know that we are having a good time. We're going to continue to have a good time. The sun is tripping. It keeps coming out, and then it'll go away. So it's actually really good because when it's out, it's like 90. And when it goes away, it feels like 80. So it's so much better. See you later. Yes. So much relief. At the end of October, it's still 90 degrees. Yes. That is Arizona for you, but I love it. I wouldn't trade it for the world, seeing that we are originally from Wisconsin. But this is awesome. I'm loving the atmosphere. When the lights go out, when the sun goes down, then you can hear the coyotes. That's so much fun. But it's very windy today. It's been awesome. I've been loving that. And we got our tent set up for our truck tent set up for sleeping. That's where we're going to sleep. Up off the ground. And this is where we play cards and do other things. And of course we cook out there. All right, just wanted to give you guys a update on what's going on at the White Tanks. Bye.